So let's say that a client is asking to integrate a conference room. So I'm going to ask it how to connect the Cisco WebEx endpoint through an MTR. And notice it provides me a solution, right? But as I'm reading through the solution, I'm noticing that it's kind of general, right? Now, why is it general? Because I gave it a very general prompt. So again, going back to our bullet points, be as specific as you can. So when it's finished, I'm going to provide it with some more details. Okay? So then I'm going to say, well, you know what? Give me a detailed instructions on how to connect the WebEx endpoint through, and notice I'm stating a very specific product here. So it's going to go through and it's going to rewrite that for me, and it's going to give me all the details, all the steps, and the guidelines on that specific product. Now, you know, sometimes it's not just a matter of plug and play, right? Sometimes you got to do a little configuration. And again, sometimes that takes a little coding, right? Now, remember how I said, look, I'm not a coder? Watch this, when it's finished with this. So let's say I'm liking the solution that it provided, but maybe I need a little bit more assistance. I'm going to tell it, now give me all the PowerShell codes that I'm going to need to implement the solution. Okay, give that a minute.